video series for iPatternStudio. In this particular video, I'm going to show you how to sync two computers that are both running iPatternStudio. The first thing you'll need to do is make sure that you have the most up-to-date copy of the software available. You can go to iPatternStudio/updates to locate what the current version is, and you can click on a couple of links here that will allow you to download the Windows or Apple installers. So get those both updated before continuing on. Now we'll set up an account with our integrated marketplace and server, registering you with this copy of iPatternStudio and any registered quilting machines and purchases. To do so, come up to the account icon and click on the Create Account button. Fill out all the information here. It's very important to note that the two password fields must be identical to each other, and the same with the two email fields. If the Create button is not active, it means that one of these two fields do not match. Once you fill that out, click Create. Next, you'll be asked to enter payment information. Remember that the payment information you enter is not stored on the iPatternStudio servers. Instead, it is stored with Authorize.net, fully securely and privately. You will not be charged at this point. That information is only stored so that if you wish to purchase a pattern at a later date, the store will be able to transact that purchase. So we come up to our quilting machines icon in the toolbar. Here I'm going to click on the plus sign, and you're going to want to type in information about your machine, and the name can be anything you arbitrarily decide. And you'll need to go ahead and set up a security key, which will be the code that is unique to your machine used to encrypt patterns. You can use a controller number, a key number, or all the numbers that you have. Go ahead and enter those and set them up. Once you have set up your account and registered your quilting machines, we can go ahead and export your information. To do that, you'll go up to File, and then click on Export Data. The system will ask you where to save the pattern export file. The iPattern format is a proprietary format of iPatternStudio, which stores all of your pattern information, including keywords and other organizational information, and your registration information, including quilting machines. All of this will be synced with other computers. You want to go ahead and click Save. Now you want to go ahead and insert a USB thumb drive into your computer and copy that iPattern file onto it. Then move that USB drive to your other computer, insert into the USB port, and copy this information onto that computer. With the iPattern file copied over to your other computer, go ahead and launch iPatternStudio. We'll notice that we don't have any quilting machines set up here, and we only have the base free patterns that come with iPattern. I'd like to sync this with my other computer. Now come up to File and Import Data. Select the iPattern file that we just created and moved over from our other computer, and the Import Data screen will appear. It will process all of the patterns and checking for any conflicts. If there are any conflicts, it will ask you to choose between the pattern that is currently in your library or the one that you're importing in. Once that is processed, as you can see, we now have the library synced. My quilting machines are registered, and I have all my patterns, including all of my keywords.